How to cash in Lazada wallet using Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cash in Lazada wallet using Gcash. Open your Lazada application on your mobile device and log in. Tap on Account located in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on MYR. Then tap on Activate next to your Lazada wallet balance. Next, tap on Activate and Verify. Enter the code sent to you via SMS for verification. You have the option to put it in. Enter your phone number and the verification code. Once verified, you can now cash in your Lazada wallet using Gcash. This means you can transfer funds from your Gcash account to your Lazada wallet for convenient shopping. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.